When looking at the history of the UAE, I could run over a great long list of facts and bits of information that would take far too long and would bore you stiff. What I'd like to try to do when I'm talking about it, whether it's natural history or the history and archaeology, is that. I like to try to find bits of information that when you give it or when you show it, people will say, wow, really? I didn't know they had that in the UAE or that about the UAE. Things that will make you surprised and sit up. Now, I'm going to deal a little bit with issues related to trade and innovation ideas, which are three fundamental aspects of UAE history over the past 125,000 years. But first, I just want to say something about the paleontology, which is before man. And this picture and the ones that follow are from Natural History Museum artists of the images of late Miocene fauna 5-6 million years ago, when what is now the UAE was a bit like the savannas of East Africa. And we had ancestors of horses. That is a saber-toothed cat. That is a hippopotamus. And that is the jaw of a hippopotamus. And that is an elephant. That we had two kinds of elephant. Elephants in Arabia. Yes, we had 6 million years ago. But two kinds of elephants. One had that lower jaw, the tusk curved down. And the other kind had 4 tusks, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. They left footprints. Okay, that is a fossilized trackway. It's one of the longest and best preserved trackways of ancient mammalian fauna from the Miocene period anywhere in the world.